Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my very first toddler clothing haul. I'm going to be showing you what I got for my son on Amazon. It's my favorite place to shop for anything that I need for the house, for myself, my husband, whatever. It's my favorite place to shop. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you what I got and tell you how I got them here in the Cayman Islands, the shipping company that I use, and all of that. So if anybody's here in Cayman and would like to get things from Amazon, it would be of interest to them to know. Also, I'm going to be announcing my very first giveaway, so if you want to see what that is, please watch to the end of the video and I would definitely announce that and let you guys know what I got in store for you. So yeah, before we jump right into this video, let me just say that this is not a sponsored video. All things purchased were purchased with my own money, not given free. So let me just put that out there. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Comment under the video your favorite part of the video, and do not leave without giving the video a thumbs up, guys. Please thumbs up the video. So please like the video, comment, share. All right, so let's jump right into this. Alright, so before I open my packages, I'm going to tell you about the shipping company that I use here in Cayman. It is called Sta-Mar Priority, and shipping is really fast with them. They give you a US address, you know, that kind of stuff, and whenever you make your orders or purchases online, you send them to that address and then they take it here to you. They do delivery if you cannot go pick it up at their office, or you can go pick it up if you want. The other thing is shipping is really fast with them. I ordered these outfits for my son because he's now in preschool, and you know, I like when he looks really nice going to school. So I ordered these last week Monday and I got these Saturday. I got these on Saturday, so that was really fast. And I have Amazon Prime, so shipping is usually like 1 or 2 days, or sometimes same day shipping, you know, depending on the order that you make. So yeah, let me just tell you that. And now I'm gonna show you guys what I got for him. I'm so excited. I have not opened the packages yet. I got one and a little box, so I'm excited. I think I'm gonna open this one first. See, it is sealed. I think they open them when they come through immigration, but other than that, it's sealed. I'm so excited because I really like these cute little tops. And you know, for those of you who have male or boys, you know that it's really hard to find cute outfits. I think it's easier to get girls outfit than it is to find boys outfits that are really cute. You know, they're always just the same. You know, you find a little t-shirt with a truck or a dinosaur on it, they're all the same, but these are cute, nice colors and everything, and I thought, yeah, let's get them. And they were all under $10. I think there's only one outfit that I got that was like $13, so very affordable. So I'm just opening the package. Let me just use this. Super excited. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys how I like the outfit and everything. This is 3. This is four outfits right here. Alright, this is the first one. It has a cute little shorts there. I like the material. It doesn't feel cheap, you know. It's really like, it's really thick, but it also feels cool, so you know it's gonna be good. I like the drawstring here. That's convenient for him to pull down easy. And then the top it came with is, it has little giraffes on it. It's nice, and they're all 2T, and it looks comfortable. I love the color. The other day his school had a all green week. They were doing planting stuff and planting seeds and vegetables, and they were to wear green outfits for the week, and I only had a pajama top for him that was green. Most of his clothes are like red or blue, so I didn't have any green, so I made sure to get him something green. So yeah, and this, let me look on my phone and tell you the cost of this one. And like I said, they were all under 10, or was it let's say under 13. Okay, yeah, under 13, because this one is $12.99. This $12.99. It's all 2T. I love it. It's cute. So this next one has a dinosaur on it. He likes dinosaurs now. He's into dinosaurs. He jumps around the house and he hops like a dinosaur. Yeah, and roars and all of that. So he likes to pretend to be dinosaurs. So I thought this was cute. This one is white. Dinosaur. And also 2T, because that's his size now. And it came with these little pants. It has elastic in the waist and this cute little pocket right here. It's nice. I really like it. And I can't wait to make him wear these to school. I'm so excited. So yeah. And then this is a third one. And this one is gray. Ooh, I love the texture. This one feels so good. This don't feel like Amazon clothes at all. This feels really nice. You see that? It has a little thickness to it, and also drawstring at the front to tie. It has a cute little pocket. I love this. I love this pants. Really nice. And this is the top it came with. It says hide and seek champions, ready or not. And it has a little tiger on it. Yeah, this is nice. So these are all for him to wear to preschool. I am super excited for him. I can't wait to put them on him so he could be nice and look neat going to school. This is the fourth one. I'm going to put the links to each item just so if you're interested you can check them out. This one is yellow or orange. It was yellow on the phone, but it looks more like yellow orange. It has a shark on it. He also likes sharks. You know the song Baby Shark. He is so into that. He runs around and mommy shark, and he sings the song. So yeah, so this is also super cute, and I love the shark detail on the front. Very nice. I'm sure he's just gonna go crazy when he sees this. Because oh, and then another pants. I really like this one. It's a lot more thick. It feels like the first, it feels more like this. Yeah, both of them the same material. It's thick. Yeah, it feels okay, and they're all 2T. All right, so that's the first package. Now I'm gonna open the second one, and that's the box. And these are all little boy's clothes that I got for him. So this is cute. Little pants, and it says 2T, no, 24 months this one says. So let's take a look. I love that I got this cute little hanger. I keep these, you know, because when I put his clothes in the closet after ironing or stuff like that, I don't want him to get wrinkled or crushed, so I usually keep some of these, especially these ones with the clips, because it's perfect to just pin his shorts on, boom, and hang it up. I like this. This is nice. The waist looks a little bit big because he has a really tiny waist. He is small, but I love the fact that it has this little, right there, it has this hook, so it's easy to, it looks like a button on the front, but it's actually a hook. That's cute. That is so nice, because you know they're kids and you want something that is safe for them so they could help themselves. That's nice. It doesn't have a zipper though. It doesn't have a zipper, and that's all right, but it's cute. I love it. It feels very, very, yeah, it feels nice. I love it. Cute jeans shorts. Alright, and then this pack of three tops that I got for him. Three colors: white, gray, and yellow. Start with the yellow one. The yellow one is nice. It looks big. It looks big for size 2T. Oh my gosh. This looks like 3T. But the material is nice. It's cotton. So you know, it's cool, it's breathable. It's very nice, but it's just, I think the sizing is wrong. It's so big. This looks like 3T. This is gonna swallow him. Look at that. Almost looks like it could fit me. Oh, all right. And then this one, it has lots of trucks. This though is so big. Maybe I should have gotten like a 24 month, because these are big, but I like it. I like this one too. He likes the trucks. So, and then the last one is a Stegosaurus. Yeah, a dinosaur. I love eating plants, also known as roof lizard. Okay, I weigh 2 tons. This is cute. This is really cute. I like it. Also 2T, but I think the sizing is a little bit off. It looks a little bit big. So yeah, that is all I got for my little one. I know it wasn't a huge haul, but these were needed because he's going to preschool and I really want him to have nice outfits to wear to school and look good, you know? So yeah. You have come to the end of the video. I want to thank you so much if you watched all the way through. I know there wasn't much going on. I was just showing you some outfits that I got for my son, but hey, I just want to thank you for watching. So yeah, I need to tell you guys of this giveaway that I'll be doing alongside Just Glamorous Beauty Supplies. They're on Instagram, so this is a collaboration giveaway with them, and in order to be eligible to win, you have to be subscribed to my channel, Jamaican Things. Yeah, hit that subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. And you also have to be following Just Glamorous Beauty Supplies. Also, you're going to comment down below why you think you should win. Now the prize under this video, you're going to comment why you think you should win. Now the prize that I'll be giving away is a $100 US. Yeah, I'll be giving away $100 US, and for first place, and for second place, because there's only going to be 2 winners, and for second place it will be $50. Now what you gotta do is you have to like this video, comment under this video, and you also have to be subscribed to my channel. You must be following Just Glamorous Beauty Supplies to be considered to be a winner, to be eligible for winning. So yeah, let me go again. $100 US to the winner, and second place will be $50 US. Now I know it's gonna be, you know, that holiday season, everybody trying to get their little gifts and trying to fix up themselves or their home, or just to have a nice holiday dinner. So if I could help somebody with that, I would feel really good. So yeah, that's the giveaway. I hope to see many of you enter in the competition. But anyway, yeah, and those are all the things that I got. Yeah, see, the box is empty. Those are all the things that I got. I got these things all from Sta-Mar Priority Consolidated Service, and that's here in Grand Cayman. Super fast shipping. I ordered my things on Monday last week, and I got these by the end of the week on Saturday. So it's super duper fast, and I have Amazon Prime, so keep that in mind. Amazon Prime usually ships things within a day or two, sometimes same day shipping on some items, so that also need to be considered. But Sta-Mar is absolutely amazing, great customer service. I would recommend them to anybody who's here on island who need to do their little shopping overseas because they cannot get to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and tell me your favorite part of the video, your favorite little outfit. Let me know if you have tried Sta-Mar priority services if you're here in Cayman, or if you're interested in getting any of these outfits for your little ones. Let me know. Just leave a comment down below. Let me know your favorite part. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.